we doing today and what have we already done?
So I started my morning with a service call on the V-Charge power burst that got sorted, and then we've gone to the to collect my stock. And we've got a punctured tyre, so I've done a tyre change. Now we're heading to install.
Cool.
So on the notes it looks, it's an E-pod. We'll see how it goes.
And we will take you through a day in the life of an installer.
Started great.
Yeah. So what is it we've just done?
So we just drilled through to put the cable through now into the consumer unit, because I've already got a consumer unit with surge protector. What a dream.
Okay, so what have we done today?
So, we've done my service call this morning. We've been and got my stock. We've done a nice little install, installer's dream actually. Straight into the board, beautiful. What we're doing, oh yeah, we changed the tyre. Don't have to do that all the time. Probably never done it before. Winged it. What we're done, finished up, home. Got to do my stock tank now, test cert, and I'm out of here.
Lovely stuff.
Day in the life of the installer.
That's what we like to see.